Good morning, it's Friday the 1st of May. This is the ETX Capital Daily Market Buy. The index of Asian shares recovered from session lows but really struggled to stay positive after weak corporate earnings dented the Wall Street. The dollar clawed back some losses after suffering its worst monthly performance in 4 years actually against the basket of the six major currencies. So the Nikkei itself 0.06% up, 195.31.63. The Dow closed in total 1.08% down at 178.40.52. The S&P also over 1% lower, 2085.51, and the Nasdaq closed actually over 1.5% lower, so 1.64% lower at 49.41.42. In the FX space, the euro edged down actually on the day to 112.16, was remaining above the 112 levels, scaling a 2-month peak to 112.67 on the Thursday. Dollar was up about 3.3% against the yen at 119.71. Bear in mind it has been testing levels around 118.50 this week, putting well away from its overnight low of that level. Underpinning the single currency, Greece made its biggest concessions yet in talks with lenders to avert bankruptcy, so that's still very much a pressing ongoing issue. The dollar index added about 0.3% to 94.84.7. Bear in mind it has over the past couple of months been trading above the 100 level. Commodities, Brent crude was slightly up on the day, $66.80 a barrel, reached a peak actually for the whole of this year of 66.93, adding 20% in April, so has been quite a positive month, the previous month for Brent crude pricing. WTI inched up 0.2% to $59.72 a barrel, hit again at a year high of $59.85 in post-settlement trading, and gained or even higher actually, or even more actually as a percentage than Brent crude this month, 25% higher this month. In the equity space, I mean, we're expecting lower trading volumes as a result of the bank holidays for the 1st of May in Germany, France and Italy. Other major regional markets closed and then so we're expecting less trades going through. However, Lloyds banking group underlying profit was up 21% to 2.178 billion, but has recorded a £660 million loss on the TSB sale to Spanish bank Banco de Sabadell. HSBC, a campaign group, has begun a legal process that could lead to Britain's tax authority facing a judicial review over a failure to take a tougher line with people alleged to have used accounts with a HSBC unit in Switzerland to evade tax. I mean, that's not something that's new. I mean, we've heard about that for the past month or so. In terms of data, we've had, as already mentioned, the bank holidays in Germany, France and Italy. Chinese manufacturing came out slightly better than expected, so 0.1 up at 50.1, forecasted at 50. The Aussie PPI quarter on quarter was at 0.1%, forecasted 0.4%, so slightly negative results there, 0.3 lower. At 9:30 we've got the UK manufacturing PMI forecasted at 54.6, and then at 3 p.m. we've got US data, the US manufacturing PMI coming out, forecasted at 52.1, and then the revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment forecasted at 96.1.